When you open a Google Sheets and suddenly the menu bar and toolbar are missing, don't worry. In this video, let's see how to quickly bring back the missing menu bar and toolbar on your Google Sheets document. The most common reason for this issue is when your Google Sheets goes into full screen mode. This can actually be useful when you want to focus only on your data, but it becomes a problem when you need access to menu bar and toolbar options. To exit full screen mode, simply right-click on any cell in your sheet and a menu will appear. Then look to the option called Exit Full Screen and click on it. Once you do that, menu bar will reappear at the top like normal. Here's another method for shortcut lovers. Just click on any cell on the sheet, then press Escape key on your keyboard. This will also bring back menu bar and toolbar at the top. Sometimes you might still have toolbar showing, but the menu bar above it is missing. To fix that, look to the top right of the toolbar. You will see a small arrow icon pointing downward. Go ahead and click on it. As you can see, your full menu bar is back on your sheet. So that's how you can bring back a missing menu bar and toolbar in Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.